Happy New Year to you all. Uh, this morning we need to brief you on the Tropical Depression 07 as well as the Tropical Cyclone Ula that has been affecting Samoa for a couple of days. In the course of last 12 to 18 hours, the Tropical Cyclone Ula has further intensified into a Category 3 system, and it was located around 16.2 south and 169.7 degrees west at 8 a.m. this morning. It continues to move to the southwest, and on the current projected path, it is expected to lie about 520 kilometers northwest of Vauvau, or about 20 kilometers north of Vauvau by tomorrow, and then we expect it to be lying about 60 kilometers east of Lakemba Island by Sunday morning. On the weather associated with the current Tropical Depression 07 is that we have been experiencing heavy rain over the northern Vanuatu level, and overnight we have seen that this rain has drifted to the northern Viti level as well as in the eastern Viti level as the Tropical Depression has dragged more southwards. We expect this weather to continue in the next 24 to 48 hours with squally thunderstorms and gusty winds. We have also issued with the heavy rain that has come overnight some flood warnings, and the flood warning is in force for the station in the Wanimbuka River catchment, which is a river catchment actually, and the areas to the south or to the downstream of the Wanimbuka River. As well as we have issued a flood alert for the Rekiriki River and for the areas downstream of Rekiriki. Also a flood warning is in force for the Navalau as well as the downstream of the Wanimbuka River. So these are the areas which are under the flood warning and flood alerts. A strong wind warning is now in force for the eastern Viti level, the Vanuatu level, Ramai Viti, Lauko.